Welcome to my channel, guys. How to change the carburetor from this. Okay, so this video is about to change the carburetor and restart it and cut the gas. That's all about this video. Remove the carburetor. So first we're gonna need to remove the cover and then remove the cover for the thing and clear it up. Here we're gonna remove this cover. There's two screws there, one here, one. Where's the other one? There's one there. Okay, let's remove that. Okay, now we're gonna take this thing off, guys. This is a screwdriver. Let's go ahead and do that. Guys, this is pretty dirty. I don't have anything to clean it, so I may have to buy a new one. So today this video is about to remove the carburetor. So let's take on the carburetor. Guys, we got three screws here. You got one here, one there, one there. So you're gonna use a 8mm. I'm gonna use an 8mm to remove the screws, guys. Okay, guys, this cover came out. There's something there, guys. Just take it out from there. This is pretty dirty. Take it out from there, the cover come out. Okay. There's a clumps there, guys. Take this thing backward. There we go. These things go backward. Oh, that's a little bit of gas. So the gasket was all over the place. This gasket is broken, so I gotta remove it. But I have a new a new carburetor, guys. Okay, guys, this is where I bought the carburetor. They sell you the whole thing. There's a bunch of different ones there. I just bought the carburetor by itself. This is from Amazon. Okay. I think I bought, this is mine, the one I bought for $9, guys. This is for $9. Okay, that's the one I bought. But there's a bunch of different ones, and I'm gonna buy the filter. I shouldn't buy the whole thing together, but I didn't feel like doing that. So all I need is a carburetor. I just go ahead and purchase it, guys. Now this is what I have. Came in from the mail. Okay. This is what I have coming from the mail, guys. This is not bad. So it came with a gasket, which is very good. So I'm going to put it together. And I'm going to remove this thing here. Okay, folks, for this thing here, it's a 10mm, but the 3/8 will work. So I can't get to it, so I got to use a 3/8, guys. Okay. Gotta use a 3/8 to take it out. It's the same thing. There's another things on the back. You gotta do the same thing. Oh, this thing was loose. Okay, folks, let me go remove this thing. Guys, we gotta pay attention to this thing here. Okay, gotta pay attention to this. This is where the thing is. Let me show you where this thing gonna go on the new one. Okay. I don't know, maybe this one. This ain't gonna go in there, guys. So this thing fits, it fits. This thing gonna go inside here. See what it is, guys? So we know exactly where it's gonna go. Okay, let me go remove that. Guys, this is the carburetor. It's a little bit different than the one I have. Okay, it's a little bit different. There's gas in here. Okay, this is the one I have, so see the gasket falling apart. This one has no gasket though, none. Let me go ahead and put the new one, guys. Let's compare the first one. They're all similar to each other. Okay. So this thing will work. This is the new one, guys. This is the new one. Okay. The back doesn't need a gasket, so hopefully. And the front needs gasket. I have no gasket for the front. But I have this thing here, which is different. The old one doesn't have it. I think they have the spot, they didn't put it in there. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's put it back in. This thing gonna go right there. Let me put it. I'm gonna put this thing first, guys. This thing. There we go. Now it's good to go. That's it. I'm gonna tighten it up, guys. Okay, folks. I have the brand new ready carburetor. And I gotta put this thing back together, guys. I'm gonna put this thing back together, stick it all the way in. Okay. Okay. It's all the way in, we're good. Okay, this is good. Okay, carburetor is set. Now all I have to do, put the rest of the stuff back in, guys. Okay, folks, this is pay attention. The gasket. There's a couple of holes. This is the gaskets. Sorry, guys, this is the gasket. So it has to go like this. I see a couple of holes there. You see this thing there, guys? This thing. You got 3 holes in there. This thing got to go those 3 holes. It goes like here. Okay. It fits on the hose. That's it. You gotta push it down. There we go. Okay, guys. I have to clean this thing a little bit. This is pretty bad. You're gonna put this thing in there. You put it in here, and then now each time you change the carburetor, you're gonna need a gasket. I had the gas leak in the gasket. Okay, now I'm putting this thing back. Put this thing right there. Let me clean this thing a little bit, guys. There we go. Guys, I found an issue, but I think I can work with it. Okay, the issue I found, okay, this side, the bottom part is small. This part is smaller than the other one I have in the system. They want to sell it to me. Okay, let me repeat that again. The bottom part is smaller than the other one. So I still got to deal with it, guys. Okay, folks, this is put on together. This is put on together, guys. Everything is fine. So everything put back. Now I'm gonna do everything put back, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some gas and put the cover. Let's put some gas and see if this thing will run. If it runs, we have no issues, then we put the cover in. Okay, folks, I put some gas and just put this thing lay down there. Just like that. Just let it lay down there right there. I'm gonna start the thing. I pump it a couple times here. Let's see if it pops. Good, folks, I think this thing gonna start. So I'm just gonna put the cover in, guys. This is how you put the cover in. So you're gonna need a gas filter, guys. Next time, I'll remove the gas filter. On the time being, I need to cut the gas. Okay, folks, the cover is back in. So, oh, I don't have to unscrew everything. Gotta put this thing on. I'm trying to start it the way it is, guys. Oh, it was on. Guys, it was started. Let me try it again. Okay, guys, it does start, so I'm gonna just finish everything else. I'm gonna tie these two things and we're done. Okay, this is good enough, guys. You don't have to go deep. This is good. I'm gonna cut the grass right now, guys. Okay, folks, I got this. This is some type of gasket. This part stays because I forgot to remove the old one. I forgot to remove the old one, guys, so I'm gonna save this for the next time. If I'm going back changing the carburetor again, I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so the carburetor has some leftover oil, leftover gas in there, guys. This bottom there has gas, so we gotta make sure we let it sit out like this, so all the gas, you see all the gas gonna come out. You see, make sure all the gas come out, so it should be fine. Or you're gonna unscrew this. I'm not gonna do all that stuff because this is gasoline, so you're gonna dry out and we leave it outside. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. If you like it, even if you don't like it, guys, you need to subscribe. Help me grow my channel, because I'm saving you guys money. If you've never done this before, take a look at my video. So at your own risk, guys, because I've done it before. So, and the machine was running bad. So look at it. See, I already cut all this thing, guys. I'm about to cut the rest of it today. And this thing works.